How to get Kindle Unlimited on a Kindle. Getting the Kindle Unlimited on a Kindle is fairly simple. So right here you can see I have my Kindle right here, and once you make sure you're on the home screen, you can scroll a couple of steps down and try Unlimited Reading and Listening. You'll find this Kindle Unlimited subscription tab where you can just tap on this Learn More button, and when you do that, it's going to prompt you a subscription tab. So you can see we can get it basically for 30 days free trial, and it will renew at $11.99 a month, or we can get 2 months deal for $0.99 and it will renew at $11.99 a month. So either you get 1 month completely free, or either you get 2 months for $0.99. So its choice is totally up to you. And after that, you can tap the join button from the bottom, and assuming you have your payment method sorted, it will start subscribing to Kindle Unlimited on a Kindle. You can also do this from a smartphone, but the topic was exclusively for Kindle, so this is how you do it, by just tapping the join unlimited button and entering a payment info to confirm it. And this way you can get unlimited Kindle on Kindle. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.